Let me. Welcome to my YouTube video, guys. Welcome to my YouTube video, guys. You know, I'm out here with everyone. You know, Alex here, girls there, we have the niggas there. Yeah, man. So like, yeah, I'm just about to vlog this whole like experience and shit like that, and then yeah. Let's have fun still, you know. I'm about to find my ball and play that shit. Don't move. Anyways, guys, we're about to, about to run this. About to find my ball, bro.
Yeah.
Blessing on it.
Nigga. Nigga. I got Zob plates, nigga. I cut tree like Messi.
Congrats, though, for real. It ain't easy, you know. Nursing ain't easy. Trust me. No, nursing ain't easy, yo.
Thanks.
Give me a hug, give me a hug, guys. Give me a hug here. Don't get it, go to my shit.
Open that now.
This isn't tough? It's not tough, bro. I'm joking, that shit hard. That shit hard, bro. Let me see. Yeah, I fuck with this actually. This nigga thinks I'm videoing him. Oh my bad, bro. To recreate what we did in DR, though. Like real vibes. Like now we have there's ball everywhere, bro.
Bro, I mean,
like, let's actually go crazy.
We can show a couple for run.
Yeah. Oh, shot looks like that. Let's go.
I never back down with couple.
So exactly, never back down.
Who's driving? I can't
bro.
I can't drive. It's cool.
You can drive, yeah? Exactly.
Have you on camera?
Let's go!
To outdo my liver.
Yo, what you say?
To outdo my liver.
Yes, niggas on it. Wait, what we sipping on? Tell them what we sipping on. Some casa. You're showing the wrong side, gang. Some casa.
JJ, hold your. Oh wait, I need to give you more.
Whoa, what do you mean to give me more? Chill. No, you don't want me
Wait, I didn't get one. Hold on, pour me.
Alright, should we go on Shara Leilani?
Leilani?
Yeah, Shara Leilani. We just say Shara Leilani. We shout out Leilani and hope she gets. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Leilani! This nigga really going to reach out to me. Nigga said chill. Shark a bitch. Shark a bitch. Why are you running to my phone? Are you okay? See, all of you just block me. Just block me with this way. Another one. You don't even know the song. The street, like a thief in the night. Fuck all you babe, for the day for the night. For the day for the night. You know my wife.
Sorry.
Say what's up to my YouTube guy.
What's up? Hey.
Tell them how you feeling.
I'm feeling great. It's nice outside. It's good outside. Shout out Leilani.
Shout out Leilani. Say what's up to my YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Tell them how you
What are you
feeling.
calling this?
What am I calling it?
Video.
Grad party. You get me?
Congratulations to Layla. Big nerd. God bless.
Leilani, yeah. Okay, all I was saying.
See here. All I was saying is fuck James, bro. Like that's the new barber that I tried, bro. Like my face is gone in 2 days. Like
come on, your shit, bro.
Yeah, fuck that. Shout out VG Cuts.
Guys,
what's up, Daisy?
not here?
Because they weren't invited. Why you do them like that? They weren't invited.
Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Also, sponsor Mango Margarita, 11 out of 10. But
Sponsor
I didn't
award.
drink it.
What are you doing out here, guys?
I'm making a mixed drink right now. Or I'm trying to.
Yo, mix me one so I can't lie.
Well, you have to follow me because I don't have the alcohol.
Type
I'm a mixologist.
juice. Okay, word. I fuck with juice. Word. Perfect.
Hey guys.
I can't lie, we didn't ask you. Back to what we're doing.
No, it's okay. I tried. Oh, this is so tea. Hold on.
I'm saying, YouTube finna go crazy.
Oh, hold on, it's a little
tell them
dark.
subscribe.
Subscribe, like, comment.
everything. Do all of it.
Yeah.
Be there or be square.
I can't lie. I was about to release it and go save her, but I was like, nah, I got my own.
Go give her this. Go give her this. Don't be ready. Go give her that.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I'm not going back.
Is it ready?
No, it doesn't have alcohol in it, I told you.
No alcohol still. Okay, there's so much. Are we like? This thing came in saying shots.
Bro, I need everyone on the vibe.
Nah, first. 100 still.
I'm gonna go to JJ for this one.
Nah, I can't lie. Why you trying to be like me, bro? You're on my dick, bro. Chill.
Here, I'm gonna pour like white liquor.
We're gonna try not to get too drunk.
I'm sorry, I'm supporting Kanye. I'm playing. I was like, somebody fouled that for me.
This boat is nicer than the one we went on, right?
Huh?
This boat is better than the one we went on, right?
You're messy as fuck, dog. What? Like, dog!
Extendo students and Grad. Are you guys obsessed? Just kidding. Do you want me to get you there?
Huh?
Are you making the vlog?
Yeah.
Let me get you in the video. You want to say something to your camera?
I'm chilling. Appreciate it.
So, what do you
Say
want
what's
to
up.
say?
Say what's up. Tell them to subscribe and shit.
Subscribe
Yeah.
down below.
Yo,
Thank
tell
you.
them where you are.
Leilani's graduation. Clocking. Congrats, girlie.
Time. Where's everyone from, dude?
I'm from, like background?
Yeah, background.
Ghana. Of
course. We're from Ghana? Nigeria. Real Nigerians in the beauty box. Yeah, nah, we don't fuck with the Ghanaians away. I ain't gonna lie to you. I play. Better Jollof still, but like.
Last year AfroCon, I remember Nigeria losing to a certain someone.
Boring!
Okay. What cup was it again?
Nah. First off, you don't even get far at the end of the day.
What?
You didn't get far still.
We got far.
You didn't get that
We got
far
further
still.
than y'all.
Boring! Boring!
Thank you. Okay.
For y'all were like second best African country. Now you're like third. That's fucked up.
Are you crazy?
Because Nigeria, South Africa, then Ghana.
Actually,
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These sites is not facts. It's not facts.
all the Nigerians out
Nigeria,
there.
South Africa,
I
then
want
Ghana.
you
That's
to
how it
know
goes.
every wedding.
Yes!
Are you crazy?
Yes!
Are you crazy?
Yes!
As a Nigerian?
Fucking you! I'm
As a
saying!
Nigerian,
Yes.
I refuse that statement.
Nah!
We do not care.
You're not gonna come for real then.
That's not true. That's not true. Ghana, and you're playing Ghanaian songs, eh? Ghana is
Fuck
half.
no.
It's
No
half.
one plays that
No, wait, let
still.
me see a fact. Ghana is half Nigeria's size, and we're still winning. Thank you.
Nah,
Thank you.
what you winning with? What you winning with?
Food, culture.
Food! Nah, she's delusional. Go! They said food? Food? Nah, chill.
Double your population.
Yeah, that's actually true. We beat you guys a couple days ago. We beat you guys recently. Now we beat you guys recently. We beat you guys recently. Nah. See, now it's really over. Maybe now you all are fourth. I'm putting Egypt at third
No,
now.
not Africa.
Egypt at third now.
Last year.
Egypt at third now. Max Mora farming.
Congrats to Leilani for Grad. Don't forget why we're all out here, is it
I
not?
feel like you're on dick.
On dick? You want to ask my sister, fam? Go on easy, fam.
Nah, don't be good. Shout out graduating. Still, it's not an easy thing.
Shout out to graduate. Yo, shout out to graduate, my niggas.
Yo, shout out Leilani, bro. Shout out Leilani. I was looking around still.
Well deserved stuff.
Well deserved in it. Nursing ain't easy, but why you should do nursing, bro?
God is good.
Fam, why are you asking me this on stream? What is this? Are you asking me to the...
Just ask him, bro.
Hi guys, what's up?
Good?
Keisha in the building, you know what I mean?
Type shit. Who else we got?
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
Chilling. Type shit. Nothing? No introduction? I think you're Lancy. Nigga thinks he's Lancy, bro. Nigga thinks he's Lancy.
Alright, bro. Yo,
no intro, bro. Okay.
Give me steady, can I put out on this stretch? Slim ways, big seats, you know about that party. That's this sex, I am professional. That always come.
I'm coming up.
I swear, they fucked up your whole
I was
shit,
ready
bro.
to come and move.
Dale con.
I'm scouting this cereal.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Like and subscribe. There goes all cash. Don't forget.
That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about.
Don't forget.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah.
Are you having a time?
Just strip yourself throughout the boat.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
Huh?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how drunk?
If there's anybody on the upper
12?
deck, just sit down so the captain can see the boat as he's spinning around.
Bro, this guy loves the bachata, man.
What's that?
He spoke to me about the bachata thing, man.
You can actually, there's no word.
I'm drunk as fuck.
Very well balanced. It's okay.
Well, he's the strength and she's the beauty. Right?
You finish it yet? Yeah, very good.
Finish it?
Finish it, girl.
But that music was impressive. I did not expect. And then think with the head, not the bed.
He's cooking. One more.
This is it. The behavior outside of the bedroom exponentially more important than what happens in the bedroom.
Oh my God!
So it's not about the wave,
You're the man.
the ocean. It's about
No.
See how she acts outside.
You're the boss. You're the leader. You got a teacher. You got a trainer.
Yeah.
That's it. But outside of the behavior, it's true.
In a real way.
A woman wants a man that she admires and looks up to. Correct?
Yeah.
She doesn't want to look down at her man in every aspect, physically, intellectually, spiritually. She's got to admire him.
Financially too.
Everything.
So they want a girl. They want a guy that's way taller than them.
No. Taller.
He's so young.
Nigga, come on now.
So man's our star, bro.
We had a rough start, but I love being here with you guys.
That's my wish.
Enjoy your time.
Push requesting me to come in. That's crazy.
I heard I promised. So you guys are all coming too?
Bag on the top of the boat just like that.
It's my mom's
Can I
bag.
also sit?
It's my mom's
Can I sit on the
bar.
side?
I didn't tell her I took it, you know, but
Bro, and you were
it's
gonna
okay, she don't need that. It eats.
Or
Hi guys. I'm lit. I'm drunk, but today was successful. I had one mission and it was a competition. That's all that matters.
that's all that matters.
You know the mission.
Oh, the mission, the real mission.
The mission.
We can't disclose that. We can't disclose that. They got you. They have to do more to get that information. You know, the viewers have to try more.
Yeah.
You get.
You need to start subbing up.
Subbing up for real because they can't just get free content.
You know what I mean? Because if I give them all this information.
Remember, you're gonna Yatch for Stanley.
Oh shit! Let me send him his money.
You see, we're the real ministers. We were the real ministers. Yes, I'm telling you. We have to do it.
Don't worry, we're running this back. Miami, 2025,
Miami.
my birthday. We're there.
Coming to Miami?
Miami, I'm there.
Look at this nigga smiling. He's thinking of the women. That's not good.
I don't be thinking of women.
Why are you lying?
That's a big fat lie. Like,
trust me, guys.
Let's be so for real.
Let's be so for real right now.
You're trying to see the big batty Miami gals. Is that not it?
Look.
Exactly. You didn't even deny it. You didn't get one.
Right there.
So why are men telling you also told us our ride? Because you and everybody else fucked. No one told you that.
Niggas, I was the ride. Don't try to put
Damn, that's crazy.
You never act like no one ever said that. No, because men said Leilani said you were taking us. Men said, what is man?
What is man?
Let's go back to the issue though. Who's man's?
Who's man?
You don't remember. That's the problem.
Okay.
Dumb.
Leilani didn't say nothing.
So because, sorry, where's the second Uber back? I'm literally
He's right there, Ivana.
Let's be going.
That's crazy work.
Okay, I need two strong men.
Thank you.
This me. What is you talking
Nigga, this is
about?
us. Facade.
This is us. Facade.
This is us. Yo, but there's no stars in the roof. This
No
really
stars in the roof. Yeah, no. Next time I'm gonna get the stars in the roof.
You're gonna get
next
the
time.
stars?
Next time I'm gonna get the stars in the roof. I got you, bro.
Of course. But it's nice still.
I'm saying.
I want to.
Guys, I'm in a black.
I don't need
Black truck.
Obviously, you had to rent that. Come on. Let me show you guys. I'm dripped out. I have my LV.
Sure.
I got my Coach.
Tight
I got a watch. I got my Nike.
Sure.
Wowie.
We drunk still.
I got my LV shoe.
Chill.
It's looking good. It's looking good.
See, I think so what is good like is that you have to like walk like this, you get like straight. Bro, like this like what the like bro, like what? Wait, let me do my own now. I did walk straight there, yeah. Me too. Wait, calm down, I'm out for yeah. It's you. It's just the funny guy.
Oh, boy, you get staggered.
The guy is staggered. This is fool, man. Mama say official yes.
You know they walk straight, man.
This guy, I swear.
Yeah, I mean I stand straight for you.
I swear.
Yeah.
I'm not walking straight.
Yeah, walking straight right now.
Right now, before you were.
Before you were zigzag, man.
I've seen it.
That was scary. You can stop time, bro.
My what? I don't have that. I don't know what that is.
You don't know what that is?
Wow, today you don't
Well, sing the song for me. I'll start.
What song?
Any song. No, Beanie Boys. Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah, start me here.
You're weird. I don't know songs.
Alright, bro. Oh, this fraud.
What were you just singing?
On my sunshine.
Well, that's crazy. I want me to let go to dance? That's insane.
Okay.
My sunshine. My only sunshine.
That was crazy. Yo, my sunshine is insane.
At least you're catching the vibe, you're catching the rhythm.
Exactly. That's what matters, you know? Exactly.
I'm trying.
Another shot?
I feel like we should play.
I feel like we're already
No. We shouldn't just be taking shots to take shots. We should play a game.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, bet. Let's do that. Let's start.
Oh. I'm gonna guess a number. Whoever gets the number or who gets closest to the number has to take a shot. I don't even know what. Okay. From 1 to 20.
Wait, the closest number takes a shot or the closest number doesn't take a shot?
Closest number takes a shot.
Closest number takes a shot, okay.
Okay. What's the number? 1 to 20.
5.
Okay.
18.
17.
That was my number.
I knew it! No, but I knew it!
Mal, like,
I know it's
telepathy right now.
This is actually so crazy.
It takes a shot though, like I was close to.
But that was my number.
Yeah, but like
No, but whoever gets the number gets to pick. I got to pick who takes a shot.
Number takes a shot.
No. Whoever gets the number gets to pick. That's
Yeah,
what it was.
pen. Whoever is closest to the number picks.
You guys
scamming me.
What do you mean scamming? No, I had to interrupt. Yeah, I had to say it because I knew it. I knew you were gonna say that. It's whoever gets the number. Pick who does it.
That's not what you
Take
said.
Charles,
That's what it
take the
was.
shot.
He's taking the shot.
Bro.
1 to 50. Whoever gets the number has to take a shot. Or whoever gets closest without going over the number. Okay?
1 to 50.
1 to 50. Let me think.
Whoever gets closest takes a shot.
Yes.
Now you should pick to take a shot.
I guess 50.
50?
1.
1? You guys are boring as fuck.
That's what I'm saying. Whoever gets closest should pick who takes the shot.
They themselves will take a shot.
No, because then like
Fine.
I thought
As a winner, they will pick who takes a shot. Fine.
34.
No, I have to pick a number.
No, what the fuck?
That was my number for being
34. I picked 34.
So, Charles, what did you say?
That is really cute.
Yeah.
Send it to
said
her.
1?
No, I'm saying 12.
You said 1. You said
12? Are you locking that in?
1.
Then
34.
Bye. Are you joining?
25.
25. Fuck Melanie. You pick a number.
I picked again.
Pick someone. So yeah, my number was 37.
Bye. Go ahead and take a shot.
Why you go ahead and take a shot?
No, because I genuinely. What was your number?
To me while I'm taking a shot.
37.
Yeah, like.
Because someone explained to me while I'm taking a shot.
Whoever gets
Just take a
closest,
shot,
pick
man.
someone.
Don't worry.
Just take a shot.
Just take a
Don't worry.
shot, man.
You're fine.
Man, you're good.
One question. Never have I ever. What are you picking? You've done it all.
Whoa, bro, that's
okay.
crazy.
That's
Sure.
Never have I ever. Let me go like skinny dipping. Go on skinny dipping.
So if you have, you take a shot.
If you have, take a shot.
I've never.
Skinny dipping, no, that's even ratchet. You know, none of us are doing that. So let's
Okay,
take
fine.
I'll do
Never
it.
have I ever. Never have I ever cheated.
But take a shot.
Oh, that was a call out for real.
That's fucked up.
Shots fired. Whoa.
Wait, are you talking?
God.
Is he prophesying
Are you
now?
talking right now?
Wait, what did you do then?
Are you talking right now? I can't believe this, man. Sean, can you believe this?
Hey, man, don't be kidding me.
No.
This.
Fucking in no fucking way. In no
Never have I ever taken a shot. If you have, take the shot. Nance! Why are you drinking your drink?
It's just
okay. So you've never cheated.
By the way, I've never cheated. By the way,
I don't believe you.
wow, damn.
Never have I ever taken a shot.
I've never
Just be
cheated.
taking your shot. Just be taking your shot.
I only cheated when the person cheats first.
But you cheated.
Does it
When you cheat, they
But
gotta take
you
your shot.
cheated.
cheating if the
But
person
you
cheats
cheated.
It's not a plus two question.
But
You yes or no?
you cheat or yes? You cheat yes or
I
no?
didn't cheat.
What?
Didn't
In
you
your brain
have?
or your perception?
Were you dating
I didn't
someone?
cheat. Fuck that.
Were you
I didn't
dating
cheat.
someone?
Yeah,
Were you dating the girl?
Yeah.
Avoiding the question.
And you fucked someone else.
I need fuck someone else.
What did you do?
When you did something with
Something
someone
happened
else.
to someone
Exactly, yeah. That's the shot, bro.
But you also cheated first.
Yes,
But it doesn't change the fact that
You cheated?
I've never.
I know that cheat. How that cheat though? If I find out somebody cheated though. If I find out somebody cheats and I do me, how's that cheating?
Yeah, but like it's still cheating.
It's
though.
cheating.
As long as
You're
it
still
didn't
in a relationship. That's
end- yeah,
cheating.
as long as it didn't end
do.
it, you have to take the shot.
Okay,
Take a
fair
shot.
enough.
I can't like, okay, take that shot
For
too.
real.
Take that shot.
Okay,
too.
yeah, bro.
Run it.
Five shots.
Take that shot.
Cheating like.